listening. Let's see what we have today. A cup, a duck, a girl, a car, and a lizard. A lizard. What's this, Eli? What's this? Say cup.
Cup.
What's this?
Cup.
What's this?
Cup.
Lizard.
Zero.
Say lizard.
Zero.
Right. What's this? Girl. And a duck.
Another.
Okay. Eli, give me the lizard. Excellent job. Hands down. Shake the cup and give me the lizard. Yeah. Thank you. Very nice. Very nice. Let's do a different one. Hands down. Hands down. Make the girl jump and give me the car. Thanks. Eli, what? Good job. Hands down. Turn over the cup. Well, listen. Listen. Hands down. Turn over the cup and give me the lizard. Thank you. Super. Okay, hands down. Hands down. Put the duck on the cup and give me the car. Oops. Listen, let's try again. Listen. Put the duck on the cup and give me the car. Thank you. Good job. Very nice. Okay, listen, Eli. Put the duck under the cup. Hooray! Very nice. That was funny, huh? Okay, listen. Eli, put the lizard in the cup and give me the duck. And wow, you did all your work. That was great. Take a peg out.
There's two more.
Throw it in the box. Amazing. That's amazing. In the box.
Hooray!